You will be amazed by this 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Choose the minivan that's safe, smart, comfortable, and fun to drive. The Pacifica ticks all the boxes. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Get into a family vehicle that's both fun to drive and works overtime to keep passengers safe. Come in and drive the Pacifica.